How to close or delete Indeed account permanently. Let's get started. Launch your Indeed app, or also you can launch your Indeed account in your web version. After you open it, you will land to this kind of interface. Now at the top right corner, you can find 3 bars. Click on it. Different options will appear. Go ahead and click on the option of settings. Now head towards the option of account settings. Now over here, you're going to find different sections. Scroll down. At the bottom, you will find the option of close my account. Go ahead and click on it. Now here you have to give a reason why do you want to delete your account. After you select the reason, click on the option of close my account. You have just submitted the request to close your account and it is being processed. You have to keep on checking your mail, as you will receive mail from the Indeed, and you have to confirm over there that you want to delete your account permanently. And with that, your Indeed account will be deleted. Well, this is how you can close or delete Indeed account permanently. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.